With no plan, just a map up in the sky. Wind whispers secrets through the trees. Was a canvas, do as you please. Fields of green and sky so blue, following the path where wildflowers grew. Eyes wide open, heart light and free. In this journey there's just you and me. Stars will guide us when the day is done. Shoes in our bags, we're chasing the sun. Carefree laughter, echo of our song. In this wanderlust we belong. Underneath the neon lights, I wonder if it's right. Questions dance around my mind, will they fade with the night? Does the universe hear my plea? Will it change for me? Hoping for a sunrise bright to set my heart free. Walking through the crowded streets, feel the ground beneath. Searching for a glimpse of hope from the people we meet. waiting for a sign from stars to break this endless gray. Dreaming of a moment when shadows stop. Dancing in the morning light, no worries in sight. Jump the cracks of sidewalk dreams, ready for flight. Skipping stones on yours was wide, letting laughter guide. Wrapped in sunshine, hold me tight, won't hide. Bubbles in the summer air, drifting everywhere. Smell of tea and spirit, fresh, full of flair.